Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is Building Blocks of Reality. Now, I hope to teach you something that you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me out. And check out every Bible teacher, every person who claims they're going to teach us something from the Bible. Check them out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So this particular lesson is a little more science-based. We're talking about the building blocks of reality, the irreducible complexity and interdependent, simultaneous fine-tuning of these necessary constants of the universe, galaxy, solar system, and planet were required for our Earth to even exist and eventually for life to form. This is interesting. The mathematical probability of this happening by random chance, suddenly, all at once, within milliseconds, is 1 in 10 to the 229th power. That's an unfathomably large number. That's beyond imagination. The odds of it happening. One chance in 10 followed by 229 zeros. Now, compare that number to the number of atoms in every comet, moon, planet, star, galaxy, in everything in the known universe. That number is 10 to the 82nd power. This number we're talking about is 10 to the 229th power. It's insanely large. Now, theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, atheist and futurist, says this, quote, "It's shocking to find out how many of the familiar constants of the universe lie within a very narrow band that makes life even possible. If a single one of these accidents were altered, stars would never have formed, the universe would fly apart, DNA would not exist, life as we know it would be impossible, Earth would flip over or freeze, and so on." Here's the thing. This is the scientific, mathematical analysis of the circumstances that exist in our universe. Not just for life, although it applies to life also, but also for even anything to exist physically, for a dead, non-living star or planet to exist. All of these things had to happen simultaneously within an extremely infinitesimal narrow band for anything to exist at all. And then after that, for life to exist. Now, here's the partial list of those cosmological constants that have to have happened simultaneously and instantaneously, and here they are. The velocity of light, the density of mass, entropy level, the expansion rate of the universe, the universal age, the radiation uniformity, distances between galaxies, the weak nuclear force, the gravitational force, the proton decay rate, proton to electron mass ratio, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, the number of protons to electrons, the ratio of electromagnetism to G-force, the distance between stars, the fine structure, the density of clusters, the 4HE energy level, neutron to proton mass, polarity of water, white dwarf binaries, supernova eruptions, the excess of echelons, the decay rate of 8BE, whatever that is, the exotic matter ratio, the parent star metallicity, the effective dimensions, the neutrino mass, the Big Bang ripples, the relativistic dilation factor, early dimensions, the oxygen to nitrogen ratios, the rotation period, the tectonic decline, atmospheric CO2 levels, H3 production, planetary axial tilt, atmospheric ozone, electrical discharge rate, parent star color, planet crust thickness, surface gravity, the ocean to land ratio, continent distribution, orbital eccentricity, the Planck constant, the elementary charge, the Avogadro constant, the Boltzmann constant, and there are 50 more or so that aren't listed. Now, if you're still watching after all of that, you can go to the lesson notes link in the video description below to see this list in print, and then you can Google any one of them for further explanation. I don't pretend to know what most of those mean. I don't. I'm taking atheist and futurist and scientist and astrophysicist Michio Kaku word for this. Okay, so you can Google this stuff and find it out for yourself. But this is a good starting point. And if you'd like to look at this list a little more slowly, go to the description section below and you can see the lesson notes and you can look it up. Also, you can leave your comments down below and I'll answer any questions, or if you want to leave a prayer request, you can do that too. Now, I plan to upload more videos if the Lord will let me. And until the next video, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off and saying, I will be praying for you, that you will be well and that you will be blessed. I'm talking to you.